Hi Woodlynde, Mrs. Sherry here, checking in on all of you. Remember back in February when we were all wishing for a snow day? Well, this is not what we had in mind.
This is a really unusual time for all of us. As you know, we're all home to prevent the spread of this new virus called COVID-19 or coronavirus. It spreads from person to person through droplets from a person's cough or sneeze. While the virus can have mild symptoms, it can make older people, like your grandparents or people with a weakened immune system, very sick. In order to protect people, the government has ordered schools and most businesses to close down to slow or stop the spread of the virus. We're not quite sure how long this is going to go on for, but I believe we're all going to be okay as long as we do our part and do what's asked of us. It can be stressful to be at home while working on your schoolwork and away from your friends. Here's some tips from my own family as we all work at home too. Try to maintain your regular school schedule. Get up and start your day as you normally would. Try to stick to your regular time. Don't sleep too late. Eat regular meals and try to be healthy to strengthen your immune system. Try to find a quiet, distraction-free place to do your schoolwork. Maintain social distancing. That means try to stay about 6 feet apart from people. The virus spreads through coughs and sneeze droplets, so you want to maintain some personal space. Find time to exercise. Gyms are closed and sports are all on pause, but that doesn't mean you just have to sit around all day. You can go out for a run or dust off that old workout equipment in your basement. Staying active helps your mind and it helps you stay physically fit. Maintain good hygiene. As we talked about in assembly, you want to make sure you wash your hands and wash them a lot. The proper way to wash your hands is to really scrub them for 20 seconds. Some people sing the ABC song or the Happy Birthday song twice. Wash before you eat, wash after using the bathroom, and after you cough or sneeze. It can be tricky being in a full house, but do your part to help out your parents. Clean your room, help with chores, even help cook or do the wash. Most importantly, stay home. It's not a time to go see your friends or go shopping. Stay home and stay healthy. If you're not feeling well, call your doctor before just showing up. Signs of COVID-19 include fever, cough, or trouble breathing. If you need more resources, go to coronavirus.gov or the CDC website. We'll be together again soon, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.